Hello everybody and welcome in MBM classes. Today I am going to explain you about word problems on rational number. Topic is rational number. So anyhow you have to solve about all addition, subtraction, multiplication, division between the rational numbers. But when you will get any question in the word problem form, that means like this: by what number should 5 2 by 3 be divided to get 3 2 by 5? In such type of question we will come to know you are going to write an equation form. Okay, for that I am explaining how to write. Here the solution of this question is by what number means rational number. We are talking about rational number. So by what number should this number be divided to get 3 2 by 5? So what is that number? Out of many infinite number, we are not supposed to think a direct answer, the correct answer. So we are going to think a variable. What variable? Let us suppose, let x be the number. We have to write, let x be the number. Then according to question, because they are asking, according to question, they are asking we have to divide this number by a number. What is that number? X. Okay. So I am going to write this, let x be the number. Then according to question, 5 2 by 3 should divided by x, that is equals to, that means the result is 3 2 by 5. According to the question, we are going to form an equation. Okay, so here first of all convert it into improper because it is already given in mixed. So here it is 17 by 3 divided by x. Instead of x I should write x by 1, so there will be no confusion. Here it is 17 by 5. 5 3 is 15, 16 17 by 5. Now as I already told, or as you know very well, 17 by 3 we are writing as it is. Instead of this division sign, you have to change sign multiplication. Write this number as reciprocal. So it is 1 by x equal to 17 upon 5 as it is. Next, we are going to multiply numerator to numerator, or simple, you have to write 17 and denominator to denominator. That is equal to 17 upon 5. Okay. Now see, x is at the denominator and we need to find out the value of this number. So what we are going to do the cross multiplication. So 17 into 5, like this, you have to multiply these two and here. That means 17 into 3x. Now we need only x. So what we are going to do, let me solve this side. So I will write x alone, and whatever the number is multiplying with x, you have to shift towards other side at the denominator. So this number is 17 into 5 was as it is. 17 and 3 you are going to write at the denominator. Now cancel these two numbers because they are same. So the value of x will be 5 by 3. That means by this number you are multiplying 5 2 by 3 to get 3 2 by 5. So this is your final answer. Similarly, in this question, they are asking a number is multiplied to minus 9 by 20 gives 3 by 2. Instead of dividing, now they are asking multiplied. A number is multiplied to minus 9 by 20 gives 3 by 2. The number is dash, means fill in the blanks type question. But unless until you are not having any equation, you cannot give correct answer. So we are going to make one equation to solve. So the solution is, let x be that number. Let x be that number. Which number? Which we are going to multiply in minus 9 by 20. Let x be the number. After that we have to write according to question or condition. You can write. So x is multiplying. This is x, which we are going to multiply with minus 9 by 20 gives 3 by 2. That means this is your answer. This is your result towards right hand side. But we need to find out value of x. Here it is so easy. X is multiplying in this case. So here we are going to find out value of x. Whichever the number is multiplying with x, you have to change the number. When you shift the number toward other side, the numerator becomes denominator of other side and denominator becomes numerator of other side. So we are going to write x is equals to, first you have to copy down 3 by 2 as it is, then do the multiplication. This 20 will go that side towards right side and this minus 9 will come at the denominator. If it is possible to reduce into lowest form, here only you can, after that you have to multiply. Now see, this one is actually 3 ones are 3 and this is 3 threes are 9. This 2 ones are 2 and this is 2 tens are 20. No any other number which we are multiplying further. So we are going to multiply numerator to numerator, that is 10 ones are 10 and 3 ones are 3. But still we have a negative sign at the denominator. So instead of writing denominator negative, you are going to write 10 with minus sign and denominator with a positive. So this is that number which when you are multiply with minus 9 by 20 to get 3 by 2. So this is the important part, how to find out the value of x. So in this case for multiplication, earlier it was division. In the same manner we can do for addition also. One more example I am explaining. The question is, what should be added to minus 4 by 9 to get 1 by 18? Okay. Instead of multiplying, divide, now they are asking added. So again we have to write with the same way, that let x be added. Okay. X be added. So what we are going to do? We have to write x plus minus 4 by 9 equals to 1 by 18. If you want to write this number first and this number later, you can, because addition of two number in any order, result remain same. Okay. Now x remain here because you are going to shift this number that side. So we have to change the sign. But before that you have to solve this step also. So plus minus minus 4 by 9 equal to 1 by 18. Now shift this number toward right side. So x is equals to 1 by 18 plus 4 by 9. Now here the denominators are not same. Make them same after taking LCM. So LCM of 18 and 9 is 18. So here the numerators are 9 2s are 18, 2 4s are 8, like this. So x is equals to 9 upon 18, which can cancel or which can reduce into lowest form. So the number is x is equal to 1 by 2. That means when you are going to add 1 by 2 in minus 4 by 9 to get 1 by 18. In the same manner you can solve many more questions. I will give you few questions as important. So with the help of all these examples, try to solve all the questions.